In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make $100 every single day on PayPal. Let's go. What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video at the Make Money Online channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you a very simple method on how you can make $100 every single day onto your PayPal account, and we're gonna be using YouTube and OG ads. So if you wanna find out how you can do that, make sure to keep watching because I'm gonna explain step by step how you can make $100 every single day. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stick around and let's get into the method right now. Let's get into the actual method right now guys. I'm gonna show you a very easy way to make money on YouTube, and you don't even need millions of views. You can literally start making money with like 10k views or even 1k views. So first of all, you need to head over to Google and go to ogads.com. So OG Ads is basically an affiliate platform offering tons of CPA deals, and CPA stands for cost per action. So we're actually gonna use OG Ads to start making money on YouTube. But before we can actually start doing that, we have to sign up first. So let's sign up right now and I'll get back to you after I signed up. So after you signed up, it will take up to 24 hours to get approved on the website. I've actually made this account a few days ago, so I would be able to record this video today. So I just logged into my account, and as you can see right there, this is my dashboard. So here you can basically see your clicks, your conversions, and your payout. So you should be able to see all your analytics on this dashboard. So after you sign up guys, you want to head over to the all offers. So as you can see right there guys, these are all the offers OG Ads has. They literally have tons of offers to choose from. But you're gonna head over to the search section right there, and you're gonna search for gift cards. So as you can see right there, a lot of offers are showing up, and that's where YouTube comes in guys. So you now wanna head over to YouTube and search for a hot topic on gift cards. So I'm just gonna search for Amazon gift cards right now and see what happens. So I just searched for Amazon gift card codes, and as you can see right there, almost 30,000 people are searching for this every month. So around 1k people are searching on Amazon gift card codes every single day. So for this video, I'm actually gonna use the Amazon gift card topic. So right now I'm gonna head over to OG Ads and see if there's a gift card offer for Amazon. Yeah, so there it is guys. So as you can see right there, win a $500 Amazon gift card, and the payout is $1.22. So basically for every email submit I get, I'm gonna get paid $1.22. So after you found a hot topic on YouTube and you found the offer on OG Ads, you wanna create a content locker, as you can see right there. Let's click on that and let's see what happens. So here I am guys, I can create a content locker right now. This will probably take you a few minutes to figure it out. It's not that hard. After that, you're gonna get an affiliate link, which is right there. So as you can see right there, you're gonna use this link to drive traffic to your own content locker, and when people fill in their email, you're gonna get paid. So let's take this video for example guys. It's uploaded 1 month ago and it has 18k views. So let's say 10% of these 18k people actually filled in their email on his content locker. That would basically mean he would make around $2k with just one single video on YouTube. So I'm gonna show you another example right now guys. So as you can see right there, let's click on this video. Free money PayPal gift card codes. So this is actually what you guys need to do as well in order to start making money on YouTube without creating your own videos. So you want to make sure you start making videos like this. So this guy is basically just recording a screen and showing you how you can get free gift card codes. This guy is just promoting his own content locker and promoting his own offer and affiliate link. So as you can see right there, he linked his site in the comment section. So let's click on that right now guys. And let's see how this guy is making hundreds of dollars just using this simple video. I'm on his website right now guys, and as you can see right there, he has tons of offers. So let's just click on Amazon gift card codes, since I used that as an example on OG Ads as well. So let's click on that and let's see what happens. Get yours now. Whoa, amazing offers. Do you want some Amazon gift card codes giveaway? So let's see what happens. So as you can see right there, I can choose between $25, $50, and $100. So let's just click on the $100 right now and let's see what happens. So it's connecting right now. Let's see what happens next. So right now it's generating a code. Let's wait until it's completed. So my free code is completed right now guys, but as you can see right there, in order to prevent abuse and make sure that users get the code, we have added human verification. So this is basically where he's gonna get paid. So let's just click on that right now and see what happens. So as you can see right there, before I can redeem my code, I actually have to fill in a survey. So let's click on one right now and let's see what happens. So as you can see right there, CPABuild.com. So he's basically using a different website for CPA marketing, but it's basically the same concept. So it literally took me to the survey, and as you can see right there, I have to fill in my information, and once I fill in my email, he's actually gonna get paid. So let's break this down one more time for you guys. So first of all, you need to sign up on a CPA affiliate network. After you signed up, you're gonna head over to YouTube and search for free gift cards. Basically, you need to find a trending topic in order to get a lot of views and potential leads. After you found your topic, you're gonna head over to the CPA network and see if there's any matching offers. So in this video, I chose to use Amazon and actually found an Amazon offer. As you can see right there, Amazon. There are probably plenty of more offers about Amazon. Yeah, so as you can see right there, there are a lot of Amazon offers. Some are even paying more, $1.61. That's crazy. But after you did that, you need to create a content locker, which you can do right there. So after you build the landing page and the content locker, you're gonna make a YouTube video on how you can actually get those free gift card codes using your own website or landing page. Then you want to make sure that the YouTube traffic actually leads to email submits, right? So make sure to leave your own landing page or content locker in the description down below or in the comment section so people can actually find it. And these views will actually lead into email submits. So you're actually going to get paid using these simple methods. And that's basically how you can make money on YouTube without making your own videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed this method. Leave a like down below if you did. Make sure to subscribe to my channel down below for more videos like this. And I'll see you tomorrow.